In this tutorial, I will be showing you how to create a logout flow. In the app template layout page, add a dynamic off-canvas element. Edit the heading and delete the default paragraph. Add a container and add a row in it. Make the container and row height 100%. Then add a column in the row. Then add 2 rows in the column. Make the column a flex container. Set its direction to vertical and select space between for it justify content. Now I will be adding our navigation buttons. You should follow along. We will add a CSS hover effect to each button's background. Change the dynamic off-canvas ID. Select the menu icon. Set its cursor style to pointer. Add a click event to it. Locate the dynamic off-canvas. Select its show property. Every time the menu icon is clicked, the dynamic off-canvas will show. Open Server Connect. Add a new API to our API users folder. Name it Logout. Add security logout to the steps and you are done. In the app template layout page, add a Server Connect element. Change its ID. Make sure you check the No Auto Load checkbox. Click Select Server Action. And choose the logout action we just created. The No Auto Load checkbox prevents our server action from automatically running on page load. So our users will not be signed out every time they reload the page. Select our Logout button. Add a click dynamic event. Locate our Logout Server Connect element. Select its load property and save. When we click Logout button, our user is logged out. We know because when we refresh the page we are automatically redirected to login page because of the security restrict we added in episode 7 of this tutorial series. In the app template layout page, add a browser element. Change its ID. Select the logout button. We need to add another click event to it. Select the browser goto property. Choose our index page route. When the logout button is clicked, our user does not only get logged out, they are also redirected to the login page. Awesome. I didn't go in deeply on some topics because I already discussed them in past episodes. If you are just joining us, you can watch the past episodes to catch up with us. If you enjoyed this episode, like, share and subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to turn on post notifications so you don't miss the next episode. Thank you.